Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Now let us begin our social science class. Okay, so all of you listen. Okay, now in previous class we have learned some topics in second lesson. Yes, what are they? Changes and neighborhood. Yes, changes and neighborhood. The two topics are we have learned in previous class. Yes, in second lesson. Now we have to learn next topic in second lesson. Okay, now what are the next topics? Changes in food habits and changes in clothes. Okay, now we have to learn changes in food habits and changes in clothes. Okay, we have to learn these two topics in this lesson. Okay, so all of you listen carefully. Take your book. All of you take your book, page number 16. All of you take your book, page number 16. Already in that previous class I said to read the book. Yes, did you read? Did you read the book? Yes, very good. All are very good children. Yes, so all of you every day have to read the book. Okay children, now we have to go our next topic. Now our next topic is changes in food habits. Okay, so all of you listen carefully. Now let us see our next topic. Our next topic is changes in food habits and clothes. Changes in food habits and clothes. Okay, in our day-to-day life, the food habits are playing important role in our life. Yes, the food habits are playing important role in our life. Yes, so all of you have to eat good and healthy food. Okay children, so all of you have to eat good and healthy food. Okay children, so we have to take our food, local food and also traditional food. We take our local food and traditional food. Traditional food means பாரம்பரிய உணவு. For example, in our grandmother make some traditional food. Yes, like pepper, ginger, garlic, this all they were adding. Yes, their food. Yes, that is traditional food. Nowadays some people not adding these all the things. Yes, so in that food items are traditional food items. So we have to eat local food and also traditional food, பாரம்பரிய சாப்பாடு அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடணும். Okay, and we can enjoy many dishes but in our own style. We can eat many dishes but our own style. Okay, then due to the movement of people from one place to another, the food habits also changed. The food habits also changed. For example, the people go one country to other country, the food habits are differently changed. Yes, the food habits are differently changed. Can you understand that? Yes, do you know? Did you see? Yes, now you are in other state or other country means the food habits also will change. Yes, now nowadays we are eating only rice, curry, this all. Yes, but if you go any other state, they were eating different type of food items. So the food items also changed. The food habits also differently changed in other area. Okay, next, when you have to eat only fresh food items. Only you have to eat fresh food items. So we should take our body. We should take care of our body. We should take care of our body. Okay, children. So while eating, don't watch TV. While eating, don't watch TV. Don't talk to others. Don't laugh. Don't walk, stand. These all the activities is not good activities while eating. Okay. So don't do this all the activities. Okay, children. Next, our India is a vast country. Our India is a vast country. Vast means big. Okay, our India is a big country. Our India is a big country. And also our India has variety of climate and soil. Variety of climate and soil. So the people follow the food and clothes. The people living in a particular region. அவங்க வாழ்கிற இடத்துக்கு தக்க அவங்க எதை போடுவாங்க, அவங்களோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸும் அவங்களோட ஃபுட் ஹேபிட்ஸும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். இப்போ கூல் ஏரியாவில் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்களோட ஃபுட் ஹேபிட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஹாட்டான ஃபுட் ஹேபிட்ஸாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ தேர் கிளாத்ஸ் ஆல்சோ லைக் cotton cloth like that. Yes, and suppose they are in very hot area, means they were eat the food habits also different, and their clothes also like woolen cloth like that they were wear. Sorry, summer cotton cloth they were wear. Yes, like that the people wear the cloths that also in different that region, in particular region. Okay, so they are depending the climate and soil. Okay, next, in some food items, some food crops are growing in particular place where very well. Some crops are growing in particular region. For example, in Rajasthan, jowar, bajra and corn, this all the food crops are growing very well. So in that region, the people only eat for jowar, bajra and corn. That is the stable food of in that area. Okay, which food is obtained in that area, that is the stable food. Which food is obtained in that area, that is the stable food of all the peoples. That is the stable food of people. Okay, for example, rice is the popular food item in south and eastern part of India. Rice is the popular food in southern and eastern part of India, and wheat is the most popular important food of northern India, and jowar, bajra and corn, this all common in Rajasthan. So in sometimes the people move a new state. Sometimes the people move a new state. So they have to change their food habits also. They have to change their food habits also, and they were adjust the climate. They were adjust the climate and food habits. What food is available in that region, they were eat that food. Okay, they have to adjust themselves. Okay, can you understand, children? Can you understand that? Okay, next people in southern state mostly eat rice, idli, dosa and sambar. Yes, the people in southern state people, they mostly eat idli, dosa, sambar, this all. Yes, so that is the stable food of in that area. That is the stable food of in that area. People in southern state mostly eat rice, idli, dosa and sambar. So that is their important food items. Okay, so when they go northern India, their food items also, their food habits also have changed. Yes, in northern India they were eat roti, dal, rajma. Roti, dal, rajma. Rajma means ragi. Ragi kalila seivangala, ragi. Yes, roti means roti la kadila ipo roti la potrangala roti. Yes, that. Okay, roti. Dal means parpu. And rajma, that is the food of in northern place. Northern place, their food habits are roti, dal and rajma. Okay, like that the people in West Bengal. The people in West Bengal, their staple food fish and rice. Fish curry and rice. Okay, they have eaten fish and rice. And then next our Punjab people eat Maggi dough, Maggi di roti and sarjon da saag. Okay, that is their food habits. Okay, in same way the clothes also depending the climate. The clothes also depending the climate condition. The clothes also depending the climate condition of the people. Okay, now let us see our next topic, changes in clothes. Our next topic is clothes. Okay, like that the food habits are changing in different places. Yes, like that the clothes also are changing in different climate condition. Okay, the people are depending the climate condition. Okay, for example, Jammu and Kashmir in Himalaya region. Jammu and Kashmir and Himalaya region, there is cold weather. Okay, the weather is always all the month. Yearly we have 12 months. Yes, so throughout the year fully there is cold weather. So the people wear always woolen cloth. Okay, the climate condition is always cold weather, so the people always wear woolen cloth. The yearly full 12 months are cold weather, so they are wearing woolen cloth. In people Jammu and Kashmir people, they wear always woolen cloths. Okay, next in northern plains state like Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Punjab, these all the people also wear woolen cloths only in winter season. Okay, only winter season the people Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Uttarakhand, these all the state people wear woolen cloths only in winter season, and summer season they wear cotton cloth. Cotton cloths. Okay, and then in southern state people, in South India there is coastal region. So they are in that area the weather condition is moderate. Moderate means, can you know say, மிதமான. ரொம்ப வெப்பமாவும் இருக்காது, ரொம்ப கூலிங்காவும் இருக்காது. Okay, மிதமான climate. Okay, moderate climate throughout the year. The year fullaமே நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்குமா? Moderate climate. Southern India, we are in southern state. Yes, we are in southern state. Okay, so our climate is throughout the year full moderate climate. So we also wear always cotton cloths. Okay, like this we should always satisfied and happy with our life. Okay children, like this we are changing our food habits and clothes. Okay, can you understand today's topic? What is the topic today? Food habits and clothes. The food habits are changing in different states. Different state, different country, the food habits are changing differently. And then clothes also having changed. Yes, different climate condition, the people wear different clothes. Okay, so they are defending the climate condition and in that region. Okay, the region condition. Okay, so they are defending. Next, in this lesson there is a fact. One fact is there, that is the largest variety of spices grown in India. So our India in Asian time, our India has largest spices grown in India. So our India is the land of spices. Since Asian time, our India is the land of spices. Asian time முன்னாடி பழைய காலத்துல இருந்தே நம்ம இந்தியாவுல ஸ்பைசஸ் நிறைய விளையுதுனால நம்மளோட இந்தியாவை land of spices அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, land of spices. Our India has largest spices grown in our India. So our India has the largest land of spices. Okay, since Asian time our India is land of spices country. Okay children, can you understand today's topic? Okay, now today all of you have to read the book. Okay, then only you will get more knowledge in this lesson. Okay, so all of you have to read the book every day. Okay children, next you take your classwork note and write the classwork first. Check your social classwork note children. Take first. Have you taken your social science classwork note children? Okay. Now first of all you have to write today date and day. All of you open your classwork note and write today date and day. Write soon all of you. Write fast. Write today date and day. Have you written children? Now leave one line and write missing letters. Already you have written meanings in the previous class. Yes, already you have written meanings in the previous class. Yes, so now all of you have to write missing letters. Leave one line and write missing letters. MISSING, missing. LETTERS, letters. LETTERS, letters. Missing letters. Finish. Leave one line and write first missing letters. Okay. Migration. 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 Did you finish? Then second missing letter, leave one line and write second missing letter. Neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD. Neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD. Neighborhood. Finish. Then third one. So leave one line and write third missing letter. Moderate. 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 Finish. Then fourth one. Spices. 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 Do you know children? Spices means நறுமண பொருட்கள். Spices, நறுமண பொருட்கள். When we cook biryani, we have adding some spices. Yes, do you know that? Cumin seed, cardamom, pepper, turmeric. Yes, these all the items are spices. It will make our food tasty and tasty. Okay, it will make our food tasty and spicy. Okay. Then fifth one, Rajasthan. RAJASTHAN. Rajasthan, spices. Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Did you finish, children? 5 missing letters. Now I read, you all listen, okay? After that you can read, okay? So all of you listen. First one, migration. First one, migration. Second one, neighborhood. Second one, neighborhood. And third one, moderate. Third one, moderate. And fourth one, spices. Spices. And fifth one, Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Okay? So all of you read along with me. Migration, neighborhood, moderate, spices, Rajasthan. Can you read, children? Read all of you. Migration, neighborhood, moderate, spices, and then Rajasthan. Have you written, children? Okay, now leave one line and write jumble letters. All of you leave one line and write jumble letters. When you write, your handwriting should be very neat. Okay? When you write classwork or homework, your handwriting should be very neat. Okay? So write slowly and neatly. Your handwriting should be neat. Okay, children? Now leave one line and write jumble letters. Leave one line and write jumble letters. J-U-M-B-L-E, jumble letters. J-U-M-B-L-E-D, jumble letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. Jumble letters. J-U-M-B-L-E-D, L-E-T-T-E-R-S, jumble letters. Finish. Then leave one line and write the question first. Okay? Left side all the letters are capital letter, and then right side is the small letter. First letter only capital, remaining all the letters are small letters. Okay? You see the slide. Whatever I have written, you also see that and write same. Okay? B-E-N, first one, B-E-N-G-A-L. Left side, first of all, you have to write left side, okay? B-E-N-G-A-L. W-E-S-T. B-E-N-G-A-L. W-E-S-T. Then right side, leave, put on small dash and write West Bengal. First letter should be capital, okay? West, and Bengal also first letter capital. W-E-S-T, West. W-E-S-T, West Bengal. B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal. B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal, West Bengal. Finish. Then leave one line and write second jumble letter question. P-L-A-I-N-S, P-L-A-I-N-S, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N. Put on small dash and write Northern Plains. First letter should be capital. Northern Plains, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, Northern Plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, Plains, Northern Plains, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, Northern, P-L-A-I-N-S, Northern Plains. Then leave one line and write third one, M-A-R-A-J, M-A-R-A-J. Put on small dash, write the answer, R-A-J-M-A, Rajma. R-A-J-M-A, Rajma. Then fourth one, leave one line and write fourth one, B-R, P-R, P-R-A-D-E-S-H, P-R-A-D-E-S-H, U-T-T-A-R, U-T-T-A-R. Put on small dash, write Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR. UTTAR, Uttar Pradesh. PRADES, Uttar Pradesh. PRADESH. Finish. Then fifth one, TERSHEL. TERSHEL. Answer shelter. SHEL TER shelter. SHEL TER shelter. Finish, children. Now read all of you. West Bengal, Northern Plains, Rajma, Uttar Pradesh, and then shelter. Okay, read all of you. West Bengal, Northern Plains, Rajma, Uttar Pradesh, shelter. Okay, children. Now, did you finish jumble letters? Then leave one line and write, fill in the blanks. Leave one line and write, fill in the blanks. Each sentence, finish means leave one line. Okay, each sentence, finish, then leave one line and write. Okay, and fill in the blanks. Write, fill in the blanks. Leave one line and write, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill. IN, in. CH, the. BLANKS, fill in the blanks. Did you finish, children? Leave one line and write first fill up. Wheat, WHEAT, wheat. Wheat is grown more in northern states. WHEAT, wheat. IS, heat is grown, 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 MORE, more. in northern state. NORTHERN, northern states. STATES, northern states. Wheat is grown more in northern state. Wheat is grown more in northern states. Did you finish? Put full stop and then write next one. Leave one line and write second one. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloths. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloths. PEOPLE, people living. LIVING, living. Living. in. Hilly, 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 hilly areas, AREAS, areas. Wear, WEAR, wear. Woolen, WWOLLEN, woolen cloth, CLOTHES, cloth. WOOLLEN, CLOTHES, woolen cloth. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloths. Put full stop and then write third one. In a new school, we make new friends. In a new school, we make new friends. in, NEW, new, SCHWOL, school. We make, WEB, MAKE, make, NEW, new, friends, FRIENDS, new friends. In a new school, we make new friends. Then write fourth one. People wear woolen cloth during winter. PEOPLE, people. PEOPLE, people wear, WEAR, wear. Woolen, WOOLLEN, woolen. Cloth, CLOTHES, woolen cloths. CLOTHES, woolen cloth. During winter, DURING, during winter, WINTER, during winter, WINTER, winter. Full stop. Next, fifth one. People living in northern plains wear light colored cloths during summer. P-O-P-L-E, people living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, in, I-N, in, the, T-H-E, the, northern plains, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, northern, P-L-A-I-N-S, northern plains, wear, W-E-A-R, wear, light, L-I-G-H-T, light, colored, C-L-O, C-L-O-U-R-E-D, colored, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths, during, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R-S, summer. People living in the northern plains wear light colored cloth during summer. Did you finish, children? All of you listen. I am going to read. All of you listen. After that you will read. Okay, children? Wheat is grown more in northern states. Wheat is grown more in northern states. Read, all of you. Wheat is grown more in northern state. Very good. Then second one. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. Read, all of you. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. Then third one. In a new school we make new friends. In a new school we make new friends. Then fourth one. People wear woolen cloth during winter. During winter. People wear woolen cloths during winter. People wear woolen cloths during winter. Then fifth one. People living in the northern plains wear light colored cloths during summer. All of you read, children. Wheat is grown more in northern state. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. In a new school we make new friends. People wear woolen cloth during winter. People living in the northern plains wear light colored cloth during summer. Now all the children can read. First one. Wheat is grown more in northern plains. Second one. People living in hilly areas wear woolen cloth. Third one. In a new school we make new friends. Then fourth one. People wear woolen cloths during winter. Next fifth one. People living in the northern plains wear light colored cloths during summer. Okay. All of you today have to study today classwork. Okay, children? Missing letter, jumble letter and pillar. Yes? Already you have written previous class meanings also. Yes? So that also you have to study today itself. Okay, children? இன்னைக்கே எல்லாரும் படிச்சு என்ன செய்யணும்? ரஃப் நோட்ல எழுதி பார்க்கணும். ஓகே? எழுதி பார்த்த நோட்டை நீ ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போது கொண்டு வரும். ஓகேவா? நான் பார்ப்பேன். செக் பண்ணுவேன். எப்படிலாம் எழுதிருக்கீங்க, எப்படிலாம் படிச்சு பார்த்துருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு நான் செக் பண்ணுவேன். ஓகே? So all of you bring your rough note when you come to school. So bring it that. Okay, children? Now we will go over homework. Okay? So all of you take your homework pages. Classwork and homework you are writing in same note as now classwork has completed. Now you take your homework pages. Take your homework. Have you taken homework pages, children? Before we write homework, we have to check previous class homework. Have you completed previous class homework, children? Have you completed? Yes, I hope you have completed the homework. Now you have to check the answers. Okay, already in previous class I have given 4 fill in the blanks. Yes, now all of you have to check the answers. If correct means keep it. If any wrong or you have written wrongly, you have to change. Okay, change the answer correctly. Okay children, first one, large scale movement of people from one place to another is called migration. Have you written correctly? Large scale movement of people from one place to another place is called migration. Okay, then if you write wrongly, you have to change it now. Okay, then second one, changes take place in our lives and our surrounding. Changes take place in our lives and our surrounding. Have you completed children? Have you written correctly? Okay, then third one, neighborhood is the area which is surrounding a person's home. Neighborhood is the area which is surrounding a person's home. Okay, the answer neighborhood. Have you written correctly? Okay, then fourth one, Raju has learnt many good habits and manner. Raju has learned many good habits and manners. Did you write correctly children? Okay, then we will start today's homework. Okay children, take your homework pages and write the homework. Okay, all of you, first of all you have to write today date and day. Write fast. Have you written children? Okay, in previous class we have written lesson name as in the homework note as. So now you don't write. So start to write. Find and write, fill in the blanks. Find and write, fill in the blanks. Book page number 16 and 17. You have to find the answer from the page number 16 and 17. Okay children? Okay, now first fill up. Dash is popular in the southern and eastern parts of India. Dash is is popular. Dash is popular in th in the southern southern and and eastern eastern parts parts of of India India. Dash is popular in the southern and eastern parts of India. Finish. Then second one, leave one line and write second one. RICE rice, AND and fish, FISH fish, curry, CURRY, fish curry is is famous, 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 in rice and fish curry is famous in dash. Now third one, dash and dash regions are cold weather throughout the year. Dash and dash region, REGIONS, region, or ARE or COLD, cold, weather, WEATHER, cold weather, throughout the year, THROUGH OUT, throughout the year, the YEAR, year. Dash and dash regions are cold weather throughout the year. Finish. Now leave one line and write fourth one. Dash has been, dash has, has, BEEN, has been, KNOWN, known as, known as, the, the, LAND, land, of spices, SPICES, spices. Dash has been known as the land of spices. Have you completed children? So today all of you have to study the classwork and write your homework correctly. So all of you find the book page number 16 and 17. Find and write correctly. Don't write wrong answer, children. Don't ask any answers to your elders. Okay, you can find the answer, you will write. Okay, don't ask anything to others. Okay, children, all of you find the answer correctly and write soon. Okay, and study and write the classwork also. Okay, children. Now after that we will see our next class. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.